If your WhatsUp Gold database is reaching its size limit, consider changing the data retention settings for the historical data used by reports. Reducing these settings can result in a smaller database and improved performance of your reports and dashboards. Data retention settings are located in WhatsUp Gold under Settings, System Settings, General Settings. You should tailor the retention options based on how much space you are willing to use in your database. By default, passive monitor data is kept for 90 days and active monitor data for 182 days. Performance monitors are handled a bit differently. Because of the amount of data that a performance monitor can collect, WhatsUp Gold will roll the data into averages. For most of WhatsUp Gold's default performance monitors, the polling period is 10 minutes. This means new performance data is gathered 6 times per hour. By default, this data is kept for 12 hours and takes up one database row per poll. After this time, between the 12th and 13th hour, WhatsUp Gold rolls up this raw data into hourly averages, which takes up one database row per hour. The system does keep the maximum and minimum values in the database in case you need to retrieve that information. This roll-up allows you to retain your performance data for longer periods of time without overloading your database. Hourly data is retained for 2 days by default. At this point, WhatsUp Gold rolls up the hourly data into daily averages. By default, WhatsUp Gold keeps daily data for 60 days. After this time, the daily data is flagged as expired. This means it still exists in the database, but is no longer included in report data. Database entries flagged as expired may be overwritten with new data, or else they will be deleted overnight by an automated cleanup task. These values are completely customizable. Make sure the retention time for your daily averages is at least 1 day longer than your hourly averages. It's okay to keep daily data longer than 60 days, even up to a year. However, keeping raw data longer than the default of 12 hours can overwhelm the database. Raw data is generally not as useful for monitoring your network as hourly and daily data is. Similar guidelines apply for passive and active monitor data. Passive monitors can bloat the database, especially if they are listening for multiple events, affecting the database tables and contributing to high database growth and fragmentation within the database. Expired data will be deleted overnight by an automated cleanup task, or you can manually purge this data by opening the WhatsUp Gold admin console and using the Table Maintenance Database utility. If you find that your WhatsUp Gold database is still filling up, you may need to increase your database size. If you are using the SQL Express version that comes with WhatsUp Gold, consider migrating your database to a dedicated instance of SQL Server. Thank you for watching this video reviewing data retention settings in WhatsUp Gold.